DataLoader object does not support indexing. I have downloaded the imagenet dataset via this pytorch API by setting download equals true. But I cannot iterate through the DataLoader. The error says DataLoader object does not support indexing. I tried a simple approach. I just tried to run the following. In the root directory, the pattern is the docs in the official website doesn't say anything else. This URL. What am I doing wrong?
Solution.
Well, the answer is pretty simple, besides error mentioned in the other answer. DataLoader has no _getItem_ method. See in the source code for yourself. It is used for iterating, not random access, over data, or batches of data. If you want to access specific element, you should use torch.utils.data.dataset in your case. Getting a batch. If you want to get a batch, you may iterate over it and break afterwards. DataLoader creates random indices in default or specified way. See samplers, hence there is no _getItem_, as it wouldn't make sense for this object. You may also inherit from the DataLoader and create your own _getItem_ function doing what you want, more complicated though. Full example. Above should print the first batch whatever is inside.
The input dataset to torch.utils.data.dataloader should be of type torch.utils.data.dataset, not torch.utils.data.dataloader, which is what you are doing in above code. So, your above code should be For more details, check the official Torch documentation here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.